Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so this is just a quick reminder that tomorrow is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. There is a guest coming in, and that's Decor, Home, and Lifestyle, and the theme is Valentine's Day. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, guys, so I am just as excited to announce to you that on the 16th, which is Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Styling My Way. So this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. You don't want to miss it, guys. Just take any item in your home, especially one of your favorite items, decorate it your way, make a video, upload it, use the hashtag Styling My Way, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Cannot wait to see you there, guys. God bless.